Thanks for stopping by. Today's scrapping video, I got this 110 volt push mower. This lawnmower weighs 50 pounds. A bit over $5 at the scrapyard like this before you tear it apart. About 24 pounds of waste. Alright, here's what we recovered from the electric lawnmower. Got a very small amount of brass. 1/4 pound of insulated wire. About 20 pounds of steel. We still have to recover the copper from the armature. Maybe 1 pound of copper by the time you clean it up. Considering the excess amount of waste, we didn't make out any on this. We would have been just as good to bring it in as it was. You're not going to know what's in the motor until you tear it apart. If you're new to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. If you like the video, make sure you hit the thumbs up.